Welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to change your Facebook profile picture temporarily for just one day. Whether you're celebrating a special occasion, showing support for a cause, or simply want to mix things up, Facebook's temporary profile picture feature is a fantastic way to do so without committing to a permanent change. First, let's get started by opening the Facebook app on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then select your profile picture at the top left. Once you're on your profile page, click on your current profile picture. This will open a menu where you can select Update Profile Picture. Now, it's time to choose the new photo you want to upload. You can select from your camera roll or even take a new photo right there. Once you've picked the perfect picture, you can adjust it by cropping or adding filters if you like. Before you post your new profile picture, there's an important step to ensure it's only temporary. Look for the Make Temporary option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see a few options for how long you want the picture to last. For this tutorial, we're going to choose 1 day. This means your profile picture will automatically revert back to your previous one after 24 hours. Once you've selected the duration, tap Save to confirm your changes. That's it. Your profile picture will now be updated temporarily for 1 day. If you want to keep the change private and avoid posting an update to your newsfeed, you can also uncheck the Share Your Update option before saving. Using temporary profile pictures is a fun way to personalize your Facebook experience without making a long-term commitment. Whether it's for a holiday, a birthday, or just a fun moment, this feature gives you the flexibility to express yourself in different ways. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.